traders. This is Scott Barkley. This is a trade of the week idea. I've been waiting all week, couldn't find one. So maybe this one will work finally. So there's a disclaimer. I'm not going to read it, but you know it's on this video. So this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room. This video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. Don't forget that all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right. So let me run into the charts here. And trade idea here is on the pound yen. And as you can see, we already have potential for convergence to the downside right here. We're looking for the break here, and the ATR is down here. That's his target now. All right. So the ATR target is ATR is 98 pips for that. But as you can see, its average is 114. So it could easily blow through this as we go along here. All right, so there's a big opportunity here, and you can see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 T30s, so about 140 pips down there, and that's because we're above yesterday's ATR. All right? So let's take a look and see what the charts say. And as you can see, the chart says we're still maybe trying to go up, but you can see the Tom DeMark line here showing you that, hey, you do have that line running right down through there. Trying to push it down. We might try to push it down. We're trying to push it down, trying to push it down, trying to push it down, trying to push it down. So you can see there's an effort to push it down, but this is at the end of the New York session, so not a lot will happen until the Asian, but I'd be certainly watching for this in the Asian market when the Asian traders come in to trade the yen crosses, all right? So just as a quick review, we're looking to do a break hook and go here of this single line trend line. That's trade 1. Trade 2 down here. Trade 3 is here, holding for the target, then hold for the 138.50, and then hold for all the way down to the S4 here because it might be able to get there. So pretty big opportunity there if it will happen. Will it happen? I don't know. I have no clue. But chart says we might be able to do it. We'll see if we get it. Hope that helps you. We'll talk to you soon.